part of that ecosystem because they trim down that grass. That's you keep it nice and low where sunlight can flow down and feed that entire sort of that food chain. They do start their lives off as carnivores. When they're young, green sea turtles will eat lots of sea crab, lots of jellyfish or other small fish. They're what we call opportunistic herbivores, which means they will eat mostly what they can catch. But they're turtles, so they don't swim around very fast, and they mostly catch plants. When they're young, though, they do have that they grow really big really quickly eating those fish, those jellyfish. They spend the first 2 or so, maybe 3 years of their life out in deep ocean waters eating those fish. Well, they get a little bit smaller than our small sea turtles here. Our smaller sea turtles are about 4 years old. When they're about 3 years old, they'll come back into those shallow coastal waters and spend the rest of their lives in those shallow coastal waters eating those plants. Probably my favorite fact about green sea turtles, though, is how long they can hold their breath. Even though they spend almost their entire life in the water, actually about 97% of their life in the water, green sea turtles aren't fish, but they're reptiles. Just like land turtles, so they do need to breathe air. They can hold their breath for a very long time, though. Green sea turtles can hold their breath for about 5 hours at a time. 5 hours. To help them do this, they slow down their heartbeat so much that when they're diving underneath the water and kind of resting, they will slow down their heartbeat so much they only have 1 heartbeat every 9 minutes. That big sea turtle, directly in front of most of you there, that big sea turtle, that is Bruce. He is our biggest sea turtle here at about 350 pounds. The biggest normal size for the green sea turtle is about 500 pounds, although the heaviest one ever recorded was over 800. Despite that, they are still not the biggest species of sea turtle. The biggest is the leatherback, which can reach over 2,000 pounds. Bruce, though, is also our oldest sea turtle here, about 50 years old. It's about middle age for a green sea turtle. We don't know for sure how long they can live, but right now we think their average lifespan is probably about 70 or so years. So they're the only plant-eating sea turtles, so they grow really big, really slowly. It actually can take about 50 years, about 25 to 40 years before a green sea turtle is big enough